Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a video that I haven't did in quite some time. I don't remember the last time I did this type of video. So of course you already know because of the title what this video is about. It's on my January 2019 Ipsy bag. I haven't did this in maybe 4 months or so, and I was like, you know what, it's the new year, let me just do this. I still get my Ipsy bag. I've been getting my Ipsy bag, but I just felt off. So here is my January 2019 Ipsy bag. If you want to see what I received in this Ipsy bag, well, then keep on watching. So this is the bag, and I'm actually liking how it looks. I love that it has a neon pink on the top with the gold zipper, and then on the sides it also has neon pink. And then the texture of it is a denim texture. Since I get Ipsy every month, I actually don't keep all the bags. Like the ones that I don't love, I just put them in a pile, and then when my family members or my friends come over, I just, hey, what bag do you want? Take it. Whichever bags you want, just take them. This one right here, I don't think I'll be doing that with this one because I actually like it. It's giving me more of a spring vibe. So let's get into the bag. Okay, the first thing I see is this right here. This is, oh, I also got this with the bag. It's a pamphlet. I don't remember an Ipsy ever bringing a pamphlet. So they always brought a little card and it was just like an overall view, but nothing on the products. And now this month is actually a pamphlet and they have each product inside. So it tells you about the product. Also, it gives you a tip on how to use it. The first item I have is this mineral hand cream for Hava. I think that's the name of it. It's called the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kissed. The description says, one whiff of the sea scented cream took us straight to a sun-kissed beach, but our rough, dry hands were still chapped and freezing from January's chill. Slathering just a little of this hand cream on them brought some sweet relief. How's it work? Deep sea minerals lock in H2O and are so good for easing eczema that can worsen in cold weather. Plus ingredients like witch hazel heal, soften, and smooth cracks over. Let's see how that smells. One, I am loving the color. Oh my god, it smells so good. I want some, I want some. Ooh. My hands feel nice now. I did need that for my hands because this cold, freezing weather gets to my skin. I have dry skin, and when it's winter, it's even drier than the summer. This is something I'm going to be using every day. Just a little bit goes a long way. So I'm gonna leave this up here because I'll be using it. Next in the bag is this right here. Brand is called VDL. It's the Lumi Layer Primer. It says, why is primer so important for smooth, even, and long-lasting makeup application? It creates a barely there barrier between your skin and makeup, so sweat and oils can't displace your makeup and make it look splotchy. Plus, VDL's primer is made with prismatic pearls that reflect light, blurring imperfections to even out your skin tone and give you an all-over glow. And it doubles as a highlighter. Just apply a little onto your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose, or anywhere you want to catch some light. Tip: if you want to skip foundation but still get glowy, just use it on its own. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is a sample. I don't know if it's the lotion. I think it's a lotion that's what I'm smelling. So yeah, I can't even tell you if the smell is good or not because I smell the lotion more. I love how it makes my skin look. I have such a healthy glow. It's just amazing. Like, just apply a little bit more on the cheekbones and it would do for a highlighter. You do see like little specks. They said prismatic pearls. That's what I see. Like little, it looks like little specks of glitter, like tiny little specks of glitter. But it's not something you notice off the back. You have to really get close into a mirror to be like, oh, I see you, you know. And next in the bag is this right here. This is the, oh, I don't know what brand that name is. I'm not even gonna try to butcher that name. It says it's a coloring pencil lip crayon in Honor. To stop everything, this eyeliner is seriously legit. The rich, creamy formula checks all the boxes we look for in a liner. It glides on gorgeously, blends easily, and lasts all day long. Not to mention the soft brown shade is fab for creating any look, from subtle to smoky. Tip: use this natural liner as a base all over your lids to amp up your shadow shades and make them last even longer. Applying it on the back of my hand, it does come off creamy. I don't have to tug on it to get any type of pigment or for it to work. I'm gonna apply some concealer and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to use this and apply it right on my lash line. I'm gonna see if it goes on my waterline. With a brush, I'm going to blend this out. I am liking this eyeliner, but only for the lids, or like if I want to smoke out my lower lash line, but not for the waterline, because when I try to put on my waterline, I seen the color but it wasn't so pigmented. Next in the bag is this right here. This is from Naked Cosmetics. Is a heavy metal number 04. This loose powder shadow is formulated with high grade 100% oxidized mica, which means crazy vibrant color without any filler like oil or wax. And since we're completely obsessed with metallic anything right now, it's no surprise that this rich rust shade is our new fave. Just pour some into the top of the container, dip your finger or a brush into it, and press onto your lid. Tip: this stuff goes beyond your typical eyeshadow. Use it as a liner, lipstick, even nail polish. Just blend with water, lip balm, or a clear top coat to see all the possibilities. That's kind of cool. But I'm just going to use this as shadow. This is a beautiful color. I'm going to take this brush and I'm gonna dip it in to the top. And I'm gonna start applying it in the corner. Oh my lord. I'm gonna deepen my outer corner. This on my bronzer. To take this right here and apply on the outer corner. This is the liner. I'm going to take this brush, this ankle brush, and just blend it out. And I'm not going to go all the way to the end. I'm just feathering it out. I'm going to take the eyeliner and just apply it on the lash line. Okay, I'm dipping into my bronzer so I can just blend out the outer corner and the crease. The last thing in my bag is this right here. This is this is Luxie. I did not even know. I'm excited. So this is the 1010 small contour brush from Luxie Beauty. This contouring brush is so good for blending, contouring, and bronzing powders where you need some definition, like the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline. Plus, it's so gorgeous, it deserves a prime spot on your vanity. Cruelty-free and vegan. It says for tip, this brush doesn't just contour, you can also use it to swipe highlighter or bronzer along your temples and cheekbones. Look at how this looks. Like, this looks so expensive. Gonna dip into the bronzer side, contour side. This eyeshadow right here from Naked Cosmetics is so gorgeous. You don't even have to have a lot of product on your brush or your finger to make it look intense and beautiful. I really, really like this. This brush, oh my gosh. One, I didn't even know this was from Luxie. Once I found out, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so wonderful. Yes, because I love brushes from Luxie. They're just so beautiful and I love how they feel on my skin. The dip that's on the handle of the brush is just so perfect for your finger to go right on it, and it makes it so comfortable while you're blending out your contour. I just want to apply a little bit of this primer to see how it looks as a highlight. Just tap a little bit. So I did apply some of this VDL Lumi Layer Primer. They say you could use it as a primer and a highlighter. So I did as a primer and a highlight, and I like it for both. Looks natural and I actually like it. My overall thoughts on my Ipsy bag. One, I'm liking this bag. It gives me spring, summer vibes. I am liking every single item, but the 3 items that I am loving and I'm just so excited for that I received it in my Ipsy bag. One is this brush right here from Luxie, this contour brush. Everything about it is just so wonderful. This is the one that I'm so excited for. I'm also excited for this cream that's up here. It smells so good. I just love the smell. And then it made my hands feel so soft. That's why I put it up here on my drawer so I can use it all the time. The other item that blew me away is this shadow right here from Naked Cosmetics. It looks so gorgeous. And on top of that, you don't even need to use a lot, so this will last a long time. Okay, so there's no more items in my Ipsy bag, and that means I am done with this video. And I can't believe I haven't filmed an Ipsy video in so long, because I actually like doing these videos. I like trying on products that I never tried before, and then you guys know if they're worth it or not. And I hope these videos are helpful and enjoyable at the same time, and if they are, please go give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when I upload a video. So with that being said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Here is my 2000. Here is my our rough hand, but aren't any. Woo, this stuff. What the fuck? Fine, a long time. All right, that's good. Roll it. What? Completely obsessed with metal.